Okay, hi all. This is Tartar Magic, y'all, and Dollar Tree done got me shook again. Shook did. If y'all see these at the Dollar Tree, I'm telling you, get them. Do you hear me? They have different patterns. This is the one I wanted because I like the way it was the leaves. Okay, y'all know all the lives I've done, all the videos I've done, and you hear baby girl making it rain in the background with all that barking every time she see the leaves blowing, you know, dogs, anything. Not no more, y'all. I could be a commercial for Dollar Tree with these, y'all. Sick of your dogs barking like crazy? Here you go. Sick of the weird guy standing outside just looking up in your window, you looking back at him, y'all both looking at each other, you're creeped out. All that ends now. And yes, that's happened. Shut up. Okay. So I am loving these. I did them on my back windows, but I forgot to do a video. And then it was just now when I was doing these. I was like, okay, do one now. Do one now. I got everything I needed from Dollar Tree. I got these from Dollar Tree. I got the water bottle from Dollar Tree. Okay, you already know this. I use this just to trim, just to be able to do it evenly at the bottom. And even the, everybody call them different box cutters, whatever. I got that from Dollar Tree as well. And give me a second because I want to show you how sticky these are. Before you even apply the water, it's already like we got you. So yeah, check that out, y'all. You know I love this. I love this just because it reminds me of the rhinestone sheets, the good ones. Yeah, yeah. Oh, back to what I was saying. So yeah, I wanted to do this quick live to show y'all this, not live, quick video to show you this. As well as to bring up, yes, my Patreon. Like I said, this awesome videos I've already been uploading on there, and like I said, personalized for you. If y'all want to see me customizing anything, like you can be up there like, hey, you know what, I want you to bling a lampshade. Hey, I'm doing it. Okay, if there's something you see on Amazon and you like, T, I want you to order that, I'm ordering it. Like I said, that Patreon is not just about, you know, support me. It's about whatever you want to see me do, whatever you want to see me customize, anything you're interested in, just let me know. And there we go. Anything you want to see, any upcoming videos, as well as audio, as well as text shouts out to the tiers. So yes, quickly shout out, of course, my damn girl for life, Jolene's Exclusive Designs. And yes, all them times you see me with the cool shirt, that's her. And also what, DLH. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I wanted to show y'all this quick. I really do hope y'all get them because they are so worth it, and I am so shook did. My bad, I forgot to tell you I got this too from there, and it's really big and it works so well. Dollar Tree. Hey y'all, so really quick I want to talk about my Patreon page. You see it? So you all go, why would I want to support you over there? Why would you not want to support me? Number one, girl, it's me, y'all. It's me. Okay, number one. But I'm going to be doing all my lives on my Patreon. I'm also going to be uploading videos that I won't be posting in our group or on here. It'll be special videos, tutorials, things that I've ordered from Allie, my haul videos, all that. And we're going to, it's got the chat over there. I'm going to be chatting. I'm going to be hanging out, and it'll be fun. And it'll be just, like I said, supporting your girl and helping her to continue doing what she loves. Because it costs. And like I said, come on now. Help your girl. Bye. Oh, also, the link is in the description.